Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing top 5 things women wish men knew when it comes to relationship. Relationship could be in your marriage or someone you're courting or someone you're dating. So I'm going to tell you the top 5 things women wish you knew being a guy. So you know this today, and doesn't necessarily mean that every single woman out there wants you to know this, just that majority of them really wants you to know this. So let's dive into it. Number 1, I want to have real conversations with you. Most women feel loved and secured in a relationship when they feel that they can converse with you. I mean, to have real conversations with their men. Lack of communication by men is oftentimes interpreted to mean everything is fine. Silence is interpreted by women as something is wrong. Carve out 15 minutes a day for a non-logical conversation, and you'll be surprised at how your relationship changes. Number 2, I want to feel like a priority. When you were pursuing your wife, she felt like a priority. But how about now? The prime priority pirates are work, kids, families, friends, and hobbies. All those things are good, and the wise response isn't to bail out on any of them, but your wives wants to know that if you had to make a priority choice, you would choose her. If you want to know if your wife feels like a priority, ask her. And here is the follow-up question. What could I do to make you feel like my number 1 priority? Number 3, I want to feel loved and respected. Some people have distorted the truth of Ephesians 5 verse 33 to mean that women only want to feel loved but don't care about respect. Not true. According to some women whom I asked questions before making this video, they want both respect and love. And that isn't surprising because I also asked men, and all of them told me that they want to be loved and respected. And me as a woman, I want to be loved and respected too. Number 4, I want you to understand that I enjoy sex too, but I am not like you. One of the classic mistakes we all make in love is assuming that this person is like the other person, or that the other person is like us. It is a mega mistake men make in the area of knacking intimacy. Men are aroused more quickly and more visual than women in most cases. Men take an average of 2 minutes from first contact to get to climax, to achieve the big O. But women, they take an average of 17 minutes. Be sensitive to this and make plans with your wife to navigate this. You will be happy you did. Number 5, I want to lead. When men think about leadership, far too often, they conceive of it only in terms of power. Maybe that's a carryover from work or competition, but it is not what your wives mean. Here's a direct quote from one woman that said it to me when I was asking people this question. I want you to lead with gentleness and mercy. Let me read it out. I want you to lead with gentleness and mercy. When you do this, I love following your lead. There are days when the sun goes down and I am utterly spent. One more decision will break me. It may seem like a small thing, but deciding on a meal, choosing what Sunday service will go to, or picking the movie we will watch can mean so much. Okay, so these are the top 5 responses from a lot of women that I questioned before bringing this content to you guys. So you can show this video to your wife and ask her if there is any of these points that she wants you to know. In that way, it helps to build your marriage. You know what she wants and she knows what you want too. And I hope this video will be helpful. As usual, your girl Gracious Trauma is here with a good topic today to help your marriage and relationship. And if you have any question at all, leave it down there below in the comment section. If you want to say anything to me at all, leave it down there below in the comment section. I'm definitely going to see you next time in my next video. Okay, bye.